How was this illegal dispensary able to reopen after 3 police raids in 3 months? Well, a former employee is telling us. It has to do with secrecy and technology. Now, police were looking for 3 things when they raided this store. We know this because they laid it out in court documents that we obtained. They wanted to seize all the drugs in the store, collect all the paperwork, and charge the people working there. It was a good plan, on paper. But that's not exactly how it worked out. The store's records were all computerized, so there was no paper trail. The employees were fined, not taken to court, and the police couldn't choke off the drug supply. We agreed not to name the employee because he fears for his safety. He described how they planned for the police raids.
We would keep a certain amount of product in store, but we knew that the raids were going to start happening eventually, so at one point product started staying away from the store. So if, let's say, during the first raid, we weren't ready for it. So when the police officers came in, they took everything. It took us a week to reopen. The second raid, we got smart to it. We kept half the product in store, half the product off-site. So when the raid happened, we were open 3 days later.
The staffer left the store after becoming disillusioned with how it ran. He says it wasn't about helping sick people get the medicine that they needed. He says it was about selling as much cannabis as they could to whoever had the cash. Dan Zakreski, CBC News, Saskatoon.